The first way I'm going to show you how you can do this is actually uploading it on your personal page, which is your personal profile Facebook page. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is make sure you are logged in. As you can see here, I am logged into my account on my personal Facebook page, and then look for the menu icon, where in this instance, it's all these circles over here. Once you click that, you then want to look for Reel. Select Reel. Once you select Reel, this is what you should see here. You should see your preview panel and also where you can add your video. So you could simply click this and it uploads the folder for you to add that, or you could simply drag it, which is what I'm going to do. Now that I've dragged it there, now you can see my videos here. I get to see it in the preview, and I could simply select Next. Now I have the opportunity to trim the video. If I don't want it as long as it is over here, I can simply drag it right there and make those changes. As you can see here, I can't select anything two parts like I can't do here and then another part. No, you just have to work with what you have here and select. Once you pick the time frame that you want, you simply select the check mark here and you're good to go. Now you simply click Next again. And now you could describe your reel by adding your captions over here. And you have the opportunity to share your reel with the public. By default, that's exactly what happens, or just to share it with your friends, or to share it with your friends and accept maybe the haters, and just kidding, only me. So you could do that as well. Now there are options when you select only me that you can't take advantage of, and you'll see that because once I select done, you could see here there is no opportunity to enable remixing again because it's only you. But by default, it goes to the public. So just wanted you to see that. So if you're just going to share it, you know it's going to the public. Now, after you're good with that, you simply click Publish and you're good to go. That's how you can upload Reels on your Facebook personal page. This is your personal profile.